The circus show was over. Everyone was smiling, everyone was happy, but suddenly something floated into the sky. Catch that color, don't let it fly. Catch that color, reach the sky. A giant rainbow balloon drifted above the circus. Its colors sparkled, its eyes twinkled, and it seemed to be going somewhere important. Red and yellow, green and blue, let's find the rainbow colors too. Catch that color. The balloon floated over a red hill. Suddenly the red color disappeared. Oh no, my red color is gone. Don't worry, we'll help. Catch that color, don't let it fly. Catch that color, reach the sky. Can you help point to something red? Can you clap for red? Can you jump for blue? Can you spin for green? Woo! Catch that color, don't let it fly. Catch that color, reach the sky. One by one the missing colors returned. Red, yellow, green, and blue. The balloon sparkled brighter. Thank you, friends, I am complete. All the colors shining bright, painting rainbows